Hello students, welcome back to the class. In the previous video, children, we learned about the different shapes and we found the perimeter. Okay, so the perimeter of different shapes is learnt by us. Now we will move further with the next exercise 10.3, wherein we will learn about how to find the area of different shapes. So the first question with the next exercise we have here, find the areas of the rectangle whose sides are. So this here we have to find this area of rectangle where length and breadth is given to you. Length is 3 centimeter, breadth is 4 centimeter. Okay, so area of rectangle, that is L into B, that is 3 centimeter into 4 centimeter, we get 12 centimeter square. Children, we always find area, the units into squares because we are finding the entire region that is measured into squares here. So don't forget to write this units here. In perimeter only we write centimeter, meter, kilometer. Here we write into squares, okay, whether centimeter square, meter square, kilometer square and so on. Question number 2. The length is given 2 kilometer and the breadth is given to you 3 kilometer. So area of the rectangle L into B, that is 2 kilometer into 3 kilometer, 2 3s are 6 kilometer square, we get as our area of the given measurements. Question number 2. Find the area of squares whose sides are. Here we have to find the area of square. The formula is S into S or S square. So the side given to us is 10 centimeter. Area of square, that is 10 into 10, that is 100 centimeter square. Okay, so 100 centimeter square is the area of this given measurement. Next, 5 meter. So to find the area of the square, side into side, the formula is, so 5 meter into 5 meter, we get 25 meter square as the area. Question number 3. The length and breadth of 3 rectangles are as given below. Okay, so first one is 9 meter and 6 meter. So the length and breadth is given, length as 9 meter, breadth as 6 meter. To find the area of rectangle, the formula we use, children, is length into breadth. That is 9 meter into 6 meter, we get 54 meter square as the area of this given rectangle. 4 meter and 14 meter. Okay, so length is 4 meter, breadth is 14 meter and area of the given rectangle, that is length into breadth, that is 4 into 14 meter, we get 56 meter square as the area of this given rectangle. Next, the area of rectangular garden is 50 meter long is 300 square meter. Here the area is given to us, children, and 50 meter long, that is length is given to us. Find the width of the garden, we have to find the breadth. Okay, children, I told you in the first video only, if you want to find the breadth, what is the formula? Area upon length. Okay, so you can see what is the area given to us? 300 divided by 50, okay, 0, 0 cut, 5 ones are 5, 6 are. What you get here? The breadth is equal to 6 meter. Now, question number 5. What is the cost of tilling a rectangular plot of land 500 meter long, 200 meter wide at the rate of rupees 8 per 100 square meter? So here cost is given per 100 square meter, but before finding the cost, we should know what is the area, the entire area, then only we can go for finding the cost. So let us first find the area of this rectangular plot. The length is 500 meter, breadth is 200 meter. So the area of the plot, that is length into breadth, we get 500 meter into 200 meter, that is 1 lakh square meter. that is meter square or square meter, both the ways you can write. Okay. Now we got here the area of the entire plot. Now it is told to us in the question that 100 square meter, 100 meter square, the cost is rupees 8. Then for 1 lakh rupees, 1 lakh square meter, how much? So you cross multiply. When you cross multiply, you will get your answer, children, here as rupees 8,000. So 8,000 rupees is the cost of tilling that particular rectangular plot over here. Question 7. A room is 4 meter long and 3 meter 50 centimeter wide. How many square meters of carpet is needed to cover the floor of the room? So before how much carpet is required, only we can find after finding the area of this room. Okay, the length is given to us as 4 meter and the breadth is given 3 meter and 50 centimeter. If we convert here into meter both, children, you get 3.5 meter. Okay, so the area of the room, that is length into breadth, that is 4 into 3.5 meter here. When we multiply, children, we will get 14 meters square as the area of the room. Okay, so how much is the room, that much is the carpet required. So the area of the carpet needed will be equal to 14 square meter over here. Question 9. 5 square flower beds, each of side 1 meter, are dug on a piece of land 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. What is the area of the remaining part of the land? Okay, so here on one part of the land is there where which is 5 meter long and 4 meter wide, where 1 meter this flower beds are dug, means to plant their flower, the area is dug over there, and we have to find the remaining part of the land. What is the area for the remaining part? So first, the side of the square flower bed, that is 1 meter over here. So let us find first the area covered by one flower bed. So 1 square flower bed covers the area that is 1 square meter. Why? Suppose it is a square flower bed, so 1 by 1. Okay, so 1 into 1 you get 1 square meter, and similarly how many we have here? 5 square flower beds are there. So 1 into 5, that is 1 is what? The area of one flower bed multiplied by 5 such flower beds are there. So totally we have 5 meter square area covered by this flower bed. That much is needed. Let us see what we have next. Now, the length of the land is given to us 5 meter, its breadth is given to us 4 meter. Okay, so let us find first the area of the land, that is length into breadth, because it is a rectangular part, right? So 5 meter into 4 meter, you get 20 square meter. Okay, so 20 square meter is the area covered by the entire that region where that flower beds have to be done. And after that 5 square meter area is occupied by this flower bed, that we have to subtract to get the area of the remaining part. So what is the area of the remaining part? 15 meter square. So from the total area, subtract the area required by this flower beds. Next question. How many tiles whose length and breadth are 12 centimeter and 5 centimeter respectively will be needed to fit in a rectangular region whose length and breadth are respectively? So here the length and breadth of that particular region is given, wherein you have to fit these tiles of this measurement. So how many tiles we have to get, that we have to find from here. So first let us find the area of that particular region where we have to put these tiles. That is here given to first here length of one tile 12 centimeter, breadth of the tile is 5 centimeter given to us. So the area needed by one tile is length into breadth, that is 12 centimeter into 5 centimeter, we get 60 centimeters square. So that is the area covered by one tile. Let us see then how much is the area for the rectangular region. The length is given to us 144, the breadth is given to us 100 centimeter. So the area of the rectangular region, that is length into breadth, that is 144 centimeter into 100 centimeter, when you multiply, you will get here 14,400 square centimeter as the area of this total rectangular region. Now in this region, you have to put the tile that cover, one tile covers 60 centimeter square. So if you divide the total region by the area covered by one tile, you can see 14,400 divided by 60 centimeter square, okay, that is 240 tiles. When you divide both, you will get 240 tiles. So how much tiles are required in that region? 240. So the total area divided by the area covered by one tile will give you your answer over here. So with this, children, we end this exercise over here. Hope this concept of area was clear to you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.